How to make Facebook account completely private on phone. Hey guys, welcome to a quick tutorial in which I'm going to show you how you can make your Facebook account completely private on your mobile phone. So let's get started. First of all, you're going to open up the Facebook application on your mobile phone and you're going to simply log into your Facebook account. Once you do that, you're going to click on these three lines at the bottom, which is the menu. Now, the menu will take you to your settings and privacy. Within your settings and privacy, we have a bunch of different settings that we can do to make our Facebook more private and secure. So first of all, what you're going to do is you're going to actually go to Tools and Resources and you will find Privacy Checkup. Now, click on Privacy Checkup and this will allow you to not only check one aspect of privacy, but you can see different options here. So if I click on this, it will show me who can watch my stories, who can watch my personal information, and more. You will click on Continue and then you will select Only Me if you don't want to share any personal information with anyone. Next option is How to keep your account secure. Click on this one. Click on Review, and this will allow you to do your privacy settings and do your privacy within the password. And you can change your password here, and you can also add two-factor authentication here. Then we have How people find you on Facebook. Click on this one, and this one will allow you to select who can send you a request, who will see your phone number and email address, and if search engines can search you or not. Once you click here, you will be able to select the people you want to add and the people you don't want to add. Then we have your data settings on Facebook. Click on this one and this will revolve around the apps and application and your location as well. And then we have your ad preferences on Facebook. This is related to the Facebook ads. Now, after doing these bunch of settings, that means you have made your account completely private and you have done a lot of different settings. Now you can also go to the supervision here to make it more private and if you want to supervise your account. And the next thing you can do is you can actually go to the profile locking and you can lock your profile as well. If you do that, your profile will be locked and people won't be able to see anything. They won't be able to even look at your profile picture. So this is another way you can make your account private. Bunch of these settings are available within settings and privacy on Facebook, and you can do all of this within your mobile phone using your mobile phone. You can also check out your activity status, and if you want to turn it off, you can do that. That's also a privacy setting that you can do. I hope this video was a big help to you. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.